everyone, this is KGB Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will get into another reaction video. This is the second time that I'll be making a reaction video from Ziferblat, which is a Eurovision entry or pre-selection Eurovision Ukraine video 2025. So I'm really excited to watch this. I am really excited because I made already a reaction video about the said lyric video, should I say. So I won't take any longer. Let's all watch this. Oh my god, I cannot wait when I will gonna see them making a harmonization. Seriously. Wow. I really love the sound. Seriously. One thing that I really love about them is the harmonization. You know what? It's not easy to make, or you should. It's not really easy to make a harmonization because you should respect the voices of other co-singers as well. This is just like you were gonna sing a song or whatnot, like that. Anyways, love the introduction though. Love the tone. What is the element? What is the element or instrument that I'm hearing there? Wait, what? Her voice is so soft. You know what? This is a masterpiece indeed. This is a masterpiece indeed. Winner vibe, winner vibe. Aside from the rhythm and the beat of the song, the harmonization, the vocals of an artist. Begging you. Oh, the execution. Vocals are overflowing. Seriously. Oh, the drummers. The drummers really looks like... He really looks like the main vocalist of college orchestra, isn't it? Vocals. Oh, love that. Wow. Wow, decrescendo. Decrescendo means the way how you will gonna end the sad song in a very subtle way. Decrescendo is something like from the something like the vocals or the volume of the song is very something like high, and then suddenly you will get something like lessen. It's perfect. Oh, sopra. A tenor one. He's a tenor one. Wow. Wow, how he ended that one. Nice. Wow. Wow, it's perfect. Can we just repeat to the times that this one? It's just like this one. Tenor. He's a tenor actor. See, did you hear that? It seems like he is something like a musical or a theater singer. Wow. Love that. I love his voice. My God. Woo. It's just like I'm watching a musical right now. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. Oh my God. Ziferblat. They ate and left no crumbs. Seriously. Ooh, wow, what an entry. Indeed, this is a massive first entry, and at the same time, they are never disappoint. They didn't disappoint actually. I really love the tone what I'm hearing right now, and at the same time, vocals are perfectly well executed. It's perfect for me. I love the tone. Seriously, especially when he started the song. That one, the harmonization as well. Harmonization is giving. I love that. Harmonization is giving. Anyways, there you go guys. Episode for today's video from Ziferblat, Bird of Prey, which is an entry of pre-selection Eurovision Ukraine 2025. This is Kate Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!